Stop. This isn't just a video. This is a wake-up call. You say you want success, but you scroll more than you grind. You say you want strength, but you avoid the pain that builds it. No one's coming to save you. Not your trainer, not your friends, not even God. It's you versus you. And your future? It's screaming your name, but you're still asleep. You want results? Then suffer. You want change? Then sacrifice. Comfort is a lie. Discipline is truth. Every rep, every tear, it's you being rebuilt. So pick up the damn weight. Lift like your life depends on it. Because one day, it just might. If this hit your soul, don't scroll away like before. Smash that like, comment, no more weakness. And hit subscribe. Not for me, but for the stronger you that's ready to wake up and rise. Let's go.